So this is another case that we're going to use law of sines when we're given an angle and two sides. So we start out with triangle A, B, and C. So angle A is 32 degrees, side A is 17, angle C, or side C is 5. So we want to first figure out what angle C is, and then angle B, and then lastly what side B is. So to find angle C, we're going to do sine of 32 over 17 equals sine of C over 5. We cross multiply and get that sine C equals 5 sine 32 over 17. So the sine of C will equal 0.045. And then we take the inverse of both sides. So sine inverse of 0.045. And when we do that, we get 2.62. So angle 2 ends up being 2.62 degrees. And now we got to check to see if there's a second triangle. So we're going to call this angle C star. So we're going to do the supplement of that. So 180 minus 2.62, which would be 177. While this 177.38 plus the 32 would be already bigger than 180 degrees. So we're only going to have, in this case, one triangle to deal with. Okay, so now we can figure out what angle B is. So we're going to do 180 minus 32 minus 2.62. And when we do that, we get that angle B is 145.38. So now we can use the law of sines to figure out side B. So we're going to do sine of 32 over 17 equals the sine of 145.38 over side B. So we're going to cross multiply and solve. So B equals 17 sine 145.38 over sine of 32. And we can now type that into our calculator to figure out what side B is. So when we do that, we get 18.22 for side C.